guys. Second day namin. At sobrang nakalimutan na namin kayo kahapon kasi napagod kami, dami namin ginawa, dami namin nakita. So, it's our second day. So, yesterday, nagpunta kami sa may Pyramids of Giza, which is yan yung mga yon. Tapos, we saw the Sphinx. Ano pa ba yun? Oo, marami din kami nakitang mga historical na ano, ruins, historical places. It's amazing kasi dati sa books mo lang nakikita, sa mga films, but now nakita na namin sila in person. So today we're heading to Alexandria for the whole day because it's gonna be Eid in the next 2 days or tomorrow. Next 2 days, yeah, I think. Magiging busy daw, so it's much better to go today. So, I'll take you with us, guys. And hopefully, hindi namin kayo makalimutan. We are now here sa may Alexandria, Egypt. And punta kami dito sa may mga catacombs. Bumili kami ng ticket. 200 pounds siya.
So, we take a...
Mainit.
just go from here to here. Okay, how we come to here?
The catacombs of Qom el-Shukafa. Here's the entrance. Yan yung well kung saan nalaglag yung donkey. So now we're going down.
It's really dramatic, but the government is not to make a solution to allow for this.
So now we're going inside sa may sa well. Medyo maraming tao. You know.
Or a big window. Okay. That's because in the past, if you found the stairs, it's very narrow. The dishes, that's because it's bad for the foods it's coming here to putting for the disease. So he making clean after they finish also the all of the finery system. So, I can see here, it's looking here like a special place, right? Right?
Fonda, il descend ici et après elle prend à droite et à gauche parce qu'il va être enterré dans un des
What's the pictures here? Okay, like you see. Here, like you see, you found here that Anubis. Like now here, okay, in every place here, like you see, it's a. If you found it, if you move to all of it, you found it a similar. Until we arrive for the main place again.
So, lahat ng mga yan nakuha din dun sa may underground, even those bathtubs. Yan. So now, dito kami ngayon sa may Citadel. So that's the place.
You can see a Game of
Yan yung
Thrones, but
citadel.
not fighting or stopping for a dragon. It's just a human. Egyptian, everything.
Look, parang yung citadel sa may Game of Thrones.
This area.
We're inside the, sa may citadel.
So, I know there was a lightning house.
So we're still inside. Nag-iikot-ikot lang kami.
Alexandria Citadel. There's another one in Old Cairo.
Old Cairo.
Old Cairo.
Dati daw may nakatayong lighthouse dito kaso na-destroyed due to earthquake and then may nagka-tsunami. So they decided na hindi na lang i-restore. Instead, they built the citadel for border protection. So tingnan nyo yung mga windows. Maliit siya sa palabas, tas palaki siya paloob. So may purpose daw yan. Para pag may mga kalaban, hindi daw madaling ma-attack yung paloob. Pero yung mga nasa loob na soldiers, they can easily attack yung mga nasa labas.
To protect the area here, any someone is coming from the sea, he can see from far away and start to attack them from the Mediterranean Sea. That's why they built the citadel like you see. Here also in this area, you see the lighting house is broken.
That's the Mediterranean Sea. So, yan. Kakain muna kami.
The meal you need.
We're currently here in a restaurant. We're gonna eat. Have lunch. So, it's a seaside restaurant. Say hi! So, kakain kami. They serve us some side dish. The name of the restaurant is Branzino. Malapit siya dito sa may Corniche, and as you can see, seaside talaga siya. So, here's Sean. I ordered some fish. She ordered chicken, grilled chicken. So, mag-share kami and see. So, ayan, may salads and some side dishes. So, after naming mag-lunch, dito kami ngayon sa may Alexandria Library. We need to buy some tickets para makapasok. Ito naman yung
business
library ticket namin. So this is the library. So yun yung pinaka-old daw na printing ng book. Yan, iba't ibang machineries. Nandito na kami ngayon sa my hotel. Nakalimutan ko kayo kanina. So, magpapahinga lang. It's almost 7 o'clock. Then, bukas, maaga na naman kami dahil may mga itinerary na naman. So, thank you for coming with us for today. See you again tomorrow.